Bueno, empieza la fiesta. Tabú. Toma, toma. Ah, lleva la ropa de Nahuali. ¿Y por qué no le...? Está mal busco esto, chaval. Unos apuños, da igual. Tío. Está bugueado esto, mira. Es verdad que se me... Espera, vamos a reiniciar esto. Por favor. No puede ser, tío. Ahora sí. Ahora sí, ¿ves?
If it's where we began it, that's definitely a trap. Fuck, I got no other leads.
Ya está.
Guess I'm gonna walk into this trap. Next stop, Silver Gulch.
Hay que moverse.
Okay, gotta get sight. Oh, I know.
But only you can
Pártense.
decide how you react to adversity.
Venga.
Only you can choose to adapt to the changes that life throws your way. Your friends deserve better. You deserve better. You are more than a cog in a corporate machine. You are not defined by your student debt or your useless degree. You have more agency and power than the world wants you to know. But to realize that power, there's something you need to do. You need to be your own boss. Of your job, of your happiness, of your life. You don't make $15 an hour, no. You're selling hours of your life away for 15 bucks a piece. So what do I say to the person who wants to get paid what they deserve? Be your own boss. That's right. Be your own boss. Now, life, am I right? Life is full of adversity and challenges. But if you want to learn from your mistakes instead of getting punished for someone else's, what are you going to do?
Estoy hablando yo. No sé.
You've been an amazing audience.
Oye.
T-shirts, DVDs, and signed photos are available for purchase in the lobby. Thank you, Stillwater, and
Vale,
good
tío.
night.
Vamos.
Don't worry, guys.
Ojo que llego. Y llegamos. Es que misión más larga, hostia puta.
You gonna come out and face me, or do I gotta come to you like last time? See you soon. All right, here's the deal. You motherfuckers know where your boss is keeping my friends. So how about you just tell me, and then I can be on my way. Any takers? I know it's not likely, but, you know, I figure I should do due diligence. It's really in your best interest. I only need one of you alive to tell me what I need to know, and the odds of it being you is pretty... You know what? Fuck it, I tried.
Toma.
You gonna tell me what I wanna know?
Toma. Pone música para esto.
I'm listening.
Un momentito. No, no. Ahora no me hace falta sacar dinero. Un momento por aquí. Está brillando. Ahora sí.
Stop shooting if somebody talks. Tell me where my friends
¿Tengo que
are.
avanzar o...? Sí, supuestamente tengo que avanzar. Creo que con la pistola voy mejor,
Tell me where your boss is.
Boom.
Fucking asshole.
Está arriba. Padrito.
Running won't help. I'll chase every last one of you down until somebody talks.
Qué acribillado.
Oh, fucking hell.
Más.
Oh no, not today. Shit.
Cara gordo ya. Vale.
Okay, this is a pretty good track.
Ojo. De la taberna.
Okay, asshole, I'm here. Where we started. Come out and face me. I
Fuck
said
you.
come out and face me. You're not even here, are you? Motherfucker!
Come on, work!
Biometrics not recognized.
¿Tiene problemas o qué?
All right.
Hola.
Biometrics recognized. Welcome, employee.
Madre mía, ¿qué es esto?
92245.
Una minigun.
Guess this old Marshall stuff still has me in the database. Bet I can make them talk now. Smaller than I remember. Hey, office still open. Tell me where the Nawali is and I won't kill you. All the rest of you are fair game. Any takers? How about
Ok,
you?
entráis, ¿no? Vení. Que vienen para aquí, ¿no?
Nobody's gonna talk. Seriously. Side work. Come on, guys. This is just wasted. I didn't think I'd have to kill more than like 10 of them, but whatever. Running low on ammo. Somebody's got a blab. The killing will continue until somebody talks.
Tengo que hacer.
I'm gonna tear your spine out.
Aquí por aquí, ¿no? Uy. Hasta que alguien hable, vale, vale. ¿Algo más? Me parece que sí. ¿Dónde está?
Oh, crap. Did I kill them all again? Oh, good. There's more. Holy shit, there's more. Can't believe this hunk of junk is still here.
¿Dónde viene?
Synchronize with you? Okay, if that's what you want. I guess you didn't want to tell me. How about you? I'm not gonna stop without
Hay que dejar uno, ¿no? Con vida.
You want some love too?
Hostia. Toma, toma, toma. Hostia, estoy aquí solo.
I am not the one to fuck with.
Hostia, que me bugueo. Hostia, hostia.
Cowards hiding.
Queda uno. Me queda otro. Lol. Vale.
Waiting for some action.
¿Te rindes?
Beast.
¿Qué se le va a hacer?
Dude, I've had a long fucking day. Can we please be reasonable people?
I can't.
You're gonna say you can't tell me because the Nuwali will kill you, then I'll say, if you don't tell me, I'll kill you. And we're just gonna be right back to where we started, so let's just skip that part.
No, I was gonna say I can put the address in your phone.
Oh.
Una galleta.
Yeah, no. That'd be super helpful.
You mind unlocking me?
Whoops, sorry about that.
You're a fucking maniac.
Well, you know, I have a lot of practice and pent-up rage.
I hear that.
Parents.
Alimony.
Ah,
Anyway, secret bunker address, he's in there.
thanks, man.
I'm George, by the way.
You an alright guy, George. When you wake up, you should stop by the church. The Saints could use a guy with some common sense. Now, let me see if my biometrics still work on this VTOL.